Hello everybody, this is CodeWithShriekDj. So we are just gonna continue our last video. As in my last video, I have created many type of variables related to player and we are using it here. But we need to clean our program because it's looking too decluttered or too cluttered. As you can see, these are some controllers. Okay, let me just run this functionality first. Okay, this is simple program. The purple window where and the circle as our player, it can move everywhere at the same speed, just not outside the screen window. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can see, too many variables related to same functionality, same type of object. Okay, so what is our objective? So currently we are gonna need to create a single variable player, and it should hold all the values like the position, direction, the speed, radius, surface, and rectangle, everything. In programming, this concept is called as object-oriented programming. If you already know, you can move to this time step. I'm just gonna explain this. Let's consider there is a virtual god, and they have some resources like air, water, fire, soil, and organic, and he can create anything from that, like the mountain, rock, or waterfalls, or anything else, whatever they want. In programming, we should consider ourselves as a virtual god, our software project as a virtual world, and the resources we need to use, like the data types, like the integer, float, double, boolean, etc. etc. So we need to use that type of data type variables to create the virtual world. Okay. There is also, for blueprint, we use the variable called the words like the class, and the actual variables like the objects or instances are being called. Okay. In Python, it's very simple to create the class like this class, and after that initializing function pass. Okay. I'm just going with the flow of the auto completion given by VS Code. Okay, this is the code. Let me just copy all of this and put it under the init tab. Okay, and I have to replace all the player underscore with the self dot. Sorry. Okay, we have created variables. Let's just create the actual variable also, because the class is just a blueprint. Okay, and we are gonna pass this like a parameter x float, y float. Okay, this is x, this is y, this is the player variable. Okay, I have to copy the update functionalities also. I'm copying everything under the reset. Okay, and tab. Okay, and just replace all the player underscore with the self dot. Okay, everything is capsulated under the player variable now, the player class now. Okay, I think, okay, but it has some foreign variable like the dt, so we have to pass the dt to update functionality, which is float actually. There is also another variable called keys. It's a scan code prefer. Okay, here I can also use this line also, but currently I'm using it for another use cases also. So I'm just gonna pass as a parameter instead. Keys pygame.key scan code wrapper. Okay, yeah, it should work fine now. Let me just remove all of this, but before that, let's remove the above part. Okay, yeah, now let's update this player underscore here. It will become player dot because we are using the player variable now, and the player dot update, and pass dt and keys. Let's try to run this. It should run. Okay, yeah, it's running same as previous without any issues. Let's go with the other functionalities. Okay, so our code is looking clean, but we can make it more clean by moving this to another file. Let's create a file called actors.py. okay, and I'm just gonna copy this class, copy, paste. Okay, I have to import pygame also. Okay, yeah, and I can import that player from here, from actors, import player. Should work, it should work. Let's remove this. Let's try. Screen rect is not defined. Okay, yeah, I have to pass the screen rect also, because that's a foreign variable from our player. Okay, pygame.rect. Okay, let's go with the comma screen rect. Okay, perfect. Let's run the program. Okay, yeah, but in pygame there is already a built-in type of class which is called as the sprite, which we should use. Actually, it is recommended by pygame because it has some features, like it can identify if one object is collided with the other object or not, something like that. For that, it's very simple syntax, like we have to create a player sprite, and we have to inherit from pygame.sprite.Sprite again the capital Sprite. The last one is gonna VS Code autocomplete the functionality update. Okay, you can copy this yourself. Okay, if you are not getting the autocomplete functionality, I'm gonna copy the parameters and the values. I'm not gonna override the extra variables given by the sprite. I'm just gonna let it as it is. Okay, above the return, here above it. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, yeah, now we are gonna use this variable instead of that. But in pygame sprite we cannot use the surface. We can use, but we need to use variable called image instead, and it's an important and required variable to use with the sprite. Okay, let me just use add here. Let's try to run this. Object has no attribute surface. Okay, yeah, I just removed this surface now. Okay, now let's just try. Okay, wow, see, our program is running fine. Very cool. Okay, let me just close this. Now this is the way you can refactor our code and clean our code. Let me just try to increase the speed. Is it actually changed or not? It can be verified. Okay, yeah, the speed has been changed. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna remove this part because it's unnecessary now, and replace this to player, also, and this. Okay, everything has been changed. Okay, yeah, now this is the way you can clean out your pygame project. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike it. Thanks, bye.